Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 9th. Act 2, Scene 1. Please open Act 2, Scene 7. It is taking place in Belmont, a room in Portia's house. Very interesting, very important scene. Flourish of cornets enter Portia with the Prince of Morocco and their trains. Trumpets. Belmont, a room in Portia's house. Trumpet sound enter Portia and the Prince of Morocco with their respective followers. Portia says, "Go, draw aside the curtains and discover the several caskets to the noble prince. Now make your choice." Go, Portia says, go, draw aside the curtains and show the different caskets to the noble prince. Now make your choice. Morocco is standing before the caskets and now thinks about the caskets. Morocco says, "The first of gold who this inscription bears." The inscription, there's an inscription. It is written on the casket. On the gold casket it is written, "Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire." The second silver, which is the promise carries, "Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves." This third, dull lead with warning all as blunt, "Who chooseth me must give and hazard all he hath. How shall I know if I do choose the right?" The first casket, the casket of gold, the golden casket, has the following inscription: "Whoever chooses me will gain what many men desire." The second, a silver casket, has this inscription: "Whoever chooses me shall gain as much as he deserves." The third is plain lead with its plain blunt inscription: "Whoever chooses me must give and risk all that he has. How shall I know whether I have chosen the correct casket?" Portia says, "The one of them contains my picture. Prince, if you choose that, then I am yours with all." Portia says, "One of them has my picture." Prince, one of them has my picture. One of them among three caskets: gold, silver and lead. "If you choose that one in which my picture is, I become yours along with it." Morocco says, "Some God direct my judgment. Let me see, I will survey the inscription back again. What says the leaden casket?" "My some God direct me to choose the right casket. My some God direct me to choose the right casket. Let me see. I will survey, I will inspect at the inscriptions once again in reverse order. What is on the lead casket? Who chooseth me must give and hazard all he hath." Must give for what? What is on the lead casket? "Whoever chooses me must give and risk all that he has." Must give and get what in return? Hazard for lead. Take a risk for lead. This casket threatens men that hazard all, do it hope of fair advantage. This casket contains a dismal warning. Worthless warning. Men who risk everything do so in the hope of a great reward. Men who risk everything do so in the hope of a great reward. A golden mine stoop not to shows of dross. I will then nor give nor hazard aught for lead. A noble mind never stoops low to worthless things. I will not give anything nor risk anything. So he cancelled to choose the lead casket. A golden mind. Now next, I will then not give hazard for lead. What says the silver casket? Silver with her virgin hue. Next, what does the silver casket with her pure color say? Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves. As much as he deserves. Pause there, Morocco. Whoever choose me shall receive as much as he deserves. Hold on, Morocco, and judge your worth with an impartial view. Judge yourself and weigh their value with an even hand. If thou beest rated by thy estimation, thou dost deserve enough, and yet enough may not extend so far as to the lady. If you are judged by your own standard, your merits may be very high, yet it may not be sufficient to win the fair lady, and yet to be afeard of my deserving were but a weak disabling of myself, and yet to be ensured of what I deserve is a sign of weakness which would bring discredit on myself, or which may work against my chances of winning the lady. As much as I deserve, why that the lady I do in birth deserve her, and in fortunes, in graces, and in qualities of breeding. But more than these in love I do deserve. I should get as much as I deserve. I should get. Well, that must be the lady herself. I deserve her because of my royal birth. He says, I deserve her as I have born. I am born in a royal family. I deserve her because of my royal birth, my wealth, and my virtues, and my upbringing. More than all of this, I deserve her due to the love I have for her. What if I don't go any further, but choose this casket? Why? That the lady all the world desires her. Now he says, what if I stayed no further but choose here? Let's see once more this saying graven in gold. Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. Why? That the lady all the world desires her. From the four corners of the earth they come to kiss this shrine. This mortal breathing saint, the Hyrcanian deserts and the vasty wilds of wide Arabia are as thoroughfares now for princess to come view fair Portia. Let me read once again the inscriptions on the gold casket. Whosoever chooses me will gain what many men desire. Why? That is the lady whom all the world desires. From the four corners of the earth, from the nook and corner, from every nook and corner of the world, from the four corners of the earth, they come to kiss the shrine of this saint in a human form. The Parisian, the watery kingdom whose ambitions had speeds in the face of heaven, is no bar to stop the foreign spirits. But they come as over brook to see fair Portia. He says, the Persian deserts and the vast wilderness of vast Arabia have become highways to princes coming to see fair Portia. And what happens after that, you will study in my next video. If you have any problem, please ask me. Thank you so much, students.